Hello YouTube. So this video is going to cover another Revell kit. It's an old Revell kit from the Ju-87D in 1/48 scale. It's actually a decent kit, but there's no interior. And we'll look at how it looks when it's built. So this is going to be another Afterbuild. And so I'll show you the instructions real quick first. It's the normal old Revell instructions. This is from 2006, but the molds in the kit are probably from the early to late mid 90s or so. And this actually looks a lot like the monogram. In fact, I think this is Revell USA. Yeah, this is from Revell Monogram USA. But it looks like Revell instructions. A lot of their stuff looks the same. There wasn't any problems in building it, except for the fact that we can see here there is nothing in the cockpit except for a stick and two seats and two pilots, which I don't even build because there's no instruments, no nothing. There's not even an instrument. Well, they show an instrument panel, but there's nothing on it. It's really terrible. And you can't really see inside the model because of the canopy. That's why I wish I would have thought about doing these videos earlier. Being that there's not really anything inside, that the canopy is so like it is actually okay. So you can't really see the missing detail. But for those people that would like more detail, I would recommend finding a new seat and some interior detail parts. The exterior looks pretty good. It has a good detail on the exterior, but the interior is not good at all. I would probably buy a aftermarket machine gun too. This one is okay, but there's better on the market. But that's really like for about everything. On the market's a lot better stuff. The aftermarket. The bomb is okay. You see some glue on it because it fell off and I had to re-glue it. And I have to touch up the paint a little bit. And here, that didn't dry straight. It had broken off and I re-glued it. And the second time didn't dry straight. As far as exterior detail, it looks pretty good. But the interior has no detail. Luckily, you can't really see it. I would recommend the kit as long as you upgrade the interior. These, of course, the Ju-87 is a ground attack aircraft. And ground attack aircrafts are always my favorite. The A-10, the F-15E, the Su-25, the Sky Raider, AH-1, or A-1H, I mean. They're all really cool aircraft. And the British ones too, like the Typhoon and the Tempest. Yeah, ground attack aircraft I find pretty cool. Well, like I said, I think the kit's pretty good. Yeah, and it's worth a build, and it's cheap. So, for those of you on a budget, then it's good. Well, until next time, bye.